Hi, hello everyone. This is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel. రండి మరి what are the demerits or drawbacks of the Dalton's atomic theory? Let us discuss. Demerits of the Dalton's atomic theory. Right? In that, first one is it unable to explain internal structure of the atom. It unable to explain internal structure of the atom. It unable to explain internal structure of the atom. And second one of the important, it failed to explain how one elemental atom different from another elemental atom. It failed to do other elemental atom. Actually, he failed to explain how one elemental atom is different from the other elemental atoms. Like simple example I am taking here. If I take hydrogen atom properties are different. And if I take oxygen atom, so these oxygen atom properties are different. And nitrogen atom, nitrogen oxygen atoms properties are different from oxygen and hydrogen. How one elemental atom property is different from others? That point was unable to explain by the Dalton's atomic theory. And the top important priority drawback, see this, it failed to explain. Actually, you know very well about this experiment. If you take a glass, take one comb, and if you use that comb for using for the oiled hair in the single way manner, after using that oiled hair, apply it to that. And if you take a small pieces of the paper, whenever if you bring that comb into the small pieces of paper side, at that case these paper pieces will be attracted towards that comb. Similarly, if you take a glass rod, when glass rod or ebonite rubbed with silk, when glass rod or ebonite rubbed with silk are for generated electricity. These two experiments was unable to explain by the Dalton's atomic theory. Observe carefully. Take one glass rod. If that glass rod rubbed with silk cloth in only one direction, not in the both directions, only one direction, in one direction method, if you take silk cloth rubbed on the glass rod, or ebonite material also you can take, or for generated thread also you can use for generated. Like I already explained about the oiled hair applying of comb. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇది లోయర్ క్లాసెస్లో కూడా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చూసుకుని ఉంటాం. రైట్, ఆయిల్ పెట్టిన హెయిర్ని కనుక కుంతో ఒకే డైరెక్షన్లో కనుక యూజ్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత దాని దగ్గరికి కనుక మనం పేపర్ పీసెస్ని కనుక తీసుకువెళ్తే అవి అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతాయి. సిమిలర్లీ when glass rod rubbed with silk cloth in one direction, after that at that case it produce electricity. these experiments were unable to explain by the Dalton's theory. Then what is the main issue here? According to Dalton's theory, atom is the smallest particle. Then if there is no any other small particles than atom, at that case, how these experiments producing electricity? What is the reason? According to our Dalton's theory, atom is the smallest and also there is electrically neutral also. There is no positive negative charge. If in that case, how this exhibiting electricity? These points were unable to explain by the Dalton's atomic theory. రైట్, మరి డాల్టన్స్ అటామిక్ థియరీ గురించి క్లియర్గా క్లారిటీగా అర్థమైనట్టే కదా ఫ్రెండ్. ఛానల్ని ఫాలో చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ లైక్ చేయండి. సో మీ సపోర్ట్ మాకు అందించండి. మీ సపోర్ట్ ఎంత అందిస్తే ఫర్దర్గా నేను ఇంకా ముందు క్లాసెస్లో ఇంకా డీటెయిల్గా మీకు ఏ టాపిక్స్ అయితే టఫ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారో వాటన్నిటిని సింపుల్ వేలో ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలో చెప్తాను. రైట్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, ఫాలో చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.